Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 20 and let me share with you how to soft reset, so how to force restart your device. So if you've got the situation that the screen do not respond to any touches, then you can try to force restart it. And all you have to do in order to go through this operation is to simply press the power button, which is right here, and volume up button together, and to wait until you'll see the black screen. So let me try to do it. Let me press both of those buttons. Just ignore all the notifications. Let's keep it pressed and wait. And as you can see, the screen turns black and we've got the developer logo, so it means that our device will be restarted. And I hope after that, after starting the system again, everything will work normally and the screen will respond. So actually this is it. This is how to soft reset and how to force restart your Motorola Edge 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.